Hi traders, today is 8th of October 2019. So we are now live the Trading Crude Oil Market WTI CLX 9 November contract 2019. So in this video I will show you how I do the scalping trading for US session day trading. So at this moment we have one buy signal which is at 52.30. So this might lead to the further upside price movement. So the target is around 52.45, so which is around 15 ticks. That's the first target. As I mentioned in my live signal broadcast, that there's this signal to go for buy position at 52.30 and exit at 52.45. So we have also one buy signal for London session, but the order is not triggered, so we cancel it. So now what we are searching is penetration on the upward movement as an reversal from the London session, which is a very strong bearish movement. And now we are entering a US session. I'm expecting for a quick TP, for a quick day trading setup for my own signal. So hopefully you can close it within a few minutes. So by the way, the time now is 9:38 a.m. New York time. So the price now is 50 to 10. We haven't seen any large volume waiting. I'm still expecting a large volume waiting at around 50 to 50 or 50 to 60. At this moment, keep remain looks like a full reversal for the next 1 hour time. So let's wait. Hopefully this will be triggered in the next 10 minutes time. As we can see now, there's a sharp price movement. There's a peak here. Maybe someone is picking up for the reversal, could be. So at this moment we are waiting for this is the highest, the further breakout. So this is the pre-breakout entry, which is from my setup. There's a buy signal at this price level, so let's wait. But it's a good indication that the price failed to break further low, and maybe we are waiting for the full reversal on the upper sides. So I will exit one position somewhere here, and the next one on the upper side on the trading stop. So let's wait. There's about 80 minutes before we are entering at 10 a.m. New York time. So there's a chance for the market to have a reversal. Let's wait for this candle to finish first and to see whether this is a good indication for the full reversal. So based on the larger time frame, you can see there's looks like a reversal over here. There's a reversal signal for us to indicate that the market go for bearish movement during London session. So now we're expecting for a reversal at about US session time. Okay, now the price. I try to go further up. Could be there is a full reversal here. It's quite important for this price level of 52.30. The breakout level is around 52.31, so we are at the pre-breakout area. And also we can see there is a high volume waiting at 52.48. Let's take a look. 52.48. So let's wait. It's not been seen for this DOM, only limited. Compared to if you are using CQG, you can see there's a high volume waiting at 52.48. Market did move in the sideways move. Once our order got filled just now at 52.29, so we can see that the market have sideways movement, pull back, and now go further up. So hopefully can penetrate this nearest high. The first high already been been through, and our entries for the pre-breakout also been through. So now I need to be aware on the current condition that the market might didn't go for the bullish movement, so have to manage the stop loss. So this will be a good stop loss area. So didn't expect that the market touch and then reverse back. It's quite a drastic move in a few seconds ago, and now I'm waiting for the market hopefully to go for the up. So let's wait patiently. This is how the trading been done. Okay, market did go break the nearest high, so we can see that the market might go towards our TP target, which is around this price level. Looks good so far. So this is the total profit. So I did enter for scalping with 3 lot position size. Hopefully can close this position in the next 10 minutes time. Time now is 10:20 a.m. New York time. So this is how the trading been done. Normally once got filled it will go further, but didn't understand. But for today there is quite challenge for our trading, which is the market did reverse first and then further up. So let's continue to watch this live. Hopefully can capture in the breakout on the higher side. Looks good so far. Still bullish. The moment I say they're bullish, now they try to reverse back. I need to be careful. Let's raise our trailing stop. Okay, now green. So it's not far from my first TP, second TP, and third TP. So I did enter large positions because this is a scalping. Hopefully it brings good positive outcome. Okay, now the price hit. So total profit 680 from 3 lot position size. So it was a good one. So I can finish today trade. So I will close my chart. It should be enough for today. So now the price maybe try to reverse back. So it's quite clear how I do the trading. Only the entry is not really a good one. Normally the penetration will go further up, but now it returned back and then go to the direction. Luckily we have some buffer, more stop loss. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like, share, comment in below, and also subscribe for this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.